Alright, once you've finished your spinning sign, it's time for you to start your car project. Now, however many days left in the class or how many days you have to do the car. Usually it's roughly 12 to 15 total days. I usually tell the kids to spend anywhere from 7 to 10 days on the first one, and make sure you leave yourself 5 days for the last one. So how you're going to find that is you go to 8th grade, click on folders, click on 8th grade robotics PLTW, go down here to load more, and then it's on the same sheet, automation through programming, as your spinning sign was. Now, as you scroll through this, the second part here, robot drag race, is where I got the idea from. Now, this is telling you 20 feet, etc., etc. You guys can read through this, but I have some differences that I've added to this in Project Lead the Way. So here's what is going to happen. You need to build a race car to go as fast as you can from 0 feet to 10 feet. This says 20, we're going to go 10 feet. 0 feet to 10 feet. Your car needs to stop within 5 feet of the finish line. Once you master that, you will show me, we'll time it, and you either will rebuild your car or you can move on to the 50-foot race. The 50-foot race, you're going to go 0 to 50 as fast as you can, and it has to stop within 5 feet of the finish line. Now, things you need to keep track of and kind of understand are that wheel size makes a difference. It makes a difference in how fast it goes. It makes a difference in how fast it accelerates. It makes a big difference. Gear size and gear ratio also are big factors when you talk about acceleration and you talk about top-end speed. So I'm just going to give you the hint of you need a lot of acceleration in the 10-foot race, and acceleration is not as big of a deal on the 50-foot race. Top-end speed is. So your two biggest factors for controlling that, number one, your acceleration is determined by your wheel size and your gear size, and your top-end speed is determined by your wheel size and your gear size. In addition to that, weight matters. You want to build the lightest possible car that will allow you to travel the fastest, and it will allow you to accelerate the fastest. So lighter is better. Finally, one big rule, you only get one motor. One motor, that's it. So you have to do this with one motor as fast as you possibly can, and it has to stop within 5 feet of the finish line for both of them. If you have any questions, see me out in the hallways where we're going to race them. Your goal is to complete the 10-footer and the 50-footer before the last day of class. And on the last day of class, it's always a cleanup. So this is due the second to last day of class. Good luck.